Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error VAN 1067 in League of Legends. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you're trying to launch the game and when you start it, it goes for the error, all you have to do is simply go and search for applications. And now from here in the apps and features, go click on it. And now from here, you're going to see this list where you're going to simply click on the Vanguard right here. And so for Riot Vanguard, you're going to search for it, click it, and then from here, click on uninstall and then uninstall fully. Once you click on yes, it's going to show you this alert. So you're going to click on yes again. And now from here, once you close the apps and features, as you can see, if you're going to close Riot Games, and then from here, open it again, this button right here is going to appear where it's saying install Vanguard. And so once you click on update and install Vanguard itself, it's going to repair it. And then once you do that, all you have to do is restart your computer and you should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.